guys, it's your girl Sierra. You already know I'm back with another video, and if you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome, what's up? And I'm so glad you came to my channel. And if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Well guys, I'm gonna just get right into it. So today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and this is my first makeup video ever to go on my channel. So I'm gonna let y'all see how I do my makeup. Not even close to knowing how to even do anything really. I just watch a lot of videos, and I really just, that's kind of how I learned stuff. I can go from 0 to 100 real quick. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna dive right into it. I'm gonna let y'all see how I get the finished look, and you know, so if y'all want to see the finished look, just go ahead and keep on watching. So everything that I use is mostly like drugstore stuff. So a lot of it is like e.l.f., Maybelline, things like that, NYX, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. So I'm gonna use this. A lot of the products I use are drugstore, so I feel like a lot of them work pretty good though. I'm just gonna get a few pumps of that, and I'm gonna put it on my face, moisturize my face. I did clean my face beforehand, so pretty much. I have like combo skin. I feel like my skin is pretty like, it can get super oily, but it can get super dry. So I feel like I have combo, because Jesus, especially if I wash my face, it's really dry but I kind of like the most time when it gets dry. I'm just like, oh, I need like a lot of moisturizer. So CeraVe, I don't know, whatever. It's the eye cream, the eye repair cream. So you're supposed to put it on every day and night. So it's this right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of that on. And I usually just put a few dots under my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with my primer. It's the Master Prime by Face Studio. It's Maybelline. So I'm gonna go in with that. 400 is the number. So just gonna go ahead and get a little bit. Just with my fingertips. I'll let the primer like set into my face. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Lavender Sleeping Mask. So it's like a sleeping mask for like at night whenever you're about to go to bed or whatever. But I still use it during the day because it really looks like really like glossy looking, or like it smells really good. Like lavender, literally. Finish my eyebrows, and I use the e.l.f. Espresso, so I use that. I feel like it's a little dark, but whatever. And then the concealer brush to conceal under my eyes, and then I also use Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow, and it's in the color Ash Brown. And then I also use like a eyebrow duo brush for the pomade. So I use that, and then I use my Fenty Beauty concealer. So now, since I did my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. The Fit Me Matte Poreless, it's normal to oily skin. It's in the color 122 Creamy Beige. So I'm going to go ahead and use that on my face. So I already wet my beauty blender, like it's kind of damp-ish. So I'm going to go ahead and put the product on my face. Put it all over. I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting it into my face. I feel like it might be a little light, but then I don't know. I don't think so. I feel like it goes really good with my skin, but I could be wrong and I'm nothing about makeup. I'm just learning. So if y'all see me do something wrong or wrong in your eyes, let me know so I can perfect it or get better at it. If you have any ideas or if you have any like suggestions, you can tell me. Open to trying different things, and I'm also open to like learning more about makeup. So anything that's to know about makeup, I want to know. 'Cause girl, sometimes I feel like I look crazy. And also my makeup cracks a lot, so whoever has advice on how to do that or what I should do, let me know, because I would love to know. I just feel like maybe I needed a better foundation. I mean, I don't really know. So if you guys think you know, let me know. I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Concealer. I honestly got this a while back, and it was a gift, so it has like a lot of product when it comes out on the thing, which is good. I'm gonna keep going back for more, and I feel like you don't have to use a lot of it either because it has really good coverage. Just can really just drag it out, but I'm just gonna put it doesn't look like a little bit, but it's kind of a little bit to me. It has like a lot of it on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. So this is my first makeup video, so y'all, I really told myself like, no, I'm not gonna really record myself doing makeup because I feel like I'm not that good at it to really be trying to you know, put anything out there that I don't really know how to do. But I mean, it's not even that. So I really just wanted to make a video because it's just something that I can have for memories and just see how I grow from it, really. So maybe in a few years I'll look back and be like, wow, who was I? Like, you know, I could see that. So I wanted to record because it's really just like something that I can keep for memories. And also, if somebody maybe doesn't know how to do makeup either, maybe just what I'm doing can help them. Just maybe. Just maybe. But yeah, so I think the only issue that I really have is just learning a little more and like what I can do better, because I feel like the only thing is like my skin cracks really quickly. I mean, like if you're wearing makeup, it's going to do that eventually. So people have told me, but I just feel like I don't know. I don't really like that, so I just want to make it better, get it better. So now I'm gonna go with my loose face powder, the Airspun. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that. So now I'm just going to grab some of that powder and put it under my eyes, like so. You're probably gonna attack me because I don't know what I'm doing, but I really don't care. What I care about is if you correct me or if you can tell me like, hey, you should do this or hey, you should do that. Not in a mean way, but like, you know, kind of just tell me like, hey, you should try this or you should do this instead of that or da 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 da. Because usually I'm like, oh, okay, you know, like I'll try that. Because I'm never gonna learn unless someone criticizes me or tells me, you know, hey, You should try it this way. So now after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and I don't wear eyeshadow. I have a palette, but I've just been practicing, so I'm not gonna really do that ever until I'm like, no, I'm in a good space with that. So now I'm done with my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer. But I don't know, like I said, doing makeup is kind of fun, so it's like a little hobby. I really like it. So you can already see like right here how it's kind of defined. I'm just gonna go in with the bronzer and make it like pop. So I'm just gonna go from here, from my basically my sideburn area to the end of my eyebrow, kind of like right here. So right here to here. So I'm just gonna start. Doesn't really matter, I guess, which way. Just don't go too far out like to your cheek or anything, but just go right here. Okay, I'm not gonna go crazy with that. So now I'm gonna go in with the I'm gonna go in with oh, and I didn't even tell y'all, this bronzer I use is e.l.f. So it's in the color Forever Sunkissed. So I use that one. So now I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna do my cheeks, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Brush. Call me crazy, at least you called me. So with the blush, I went in with the bright pink. So now I'm gonna do highlighter. So I'm just gonna get my Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I've heard that this is really good. I've been using it, so yeah, I kind of like it. It's pretty good. So I'm just gonna go in with my highlighting brush. I'm just going with my finger, honestly. In my inner corner. I don't know if you can really tell. Finished my eyelashes, and now I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette. And actually Camilla picked out a color that she wanted, so she wanted me to do purple. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that one, and I'm gonna go put it under, well, I'm gonna put on my waterline. So just finished putting the purple under my eyes. Purple color was Escape, so I just used that one. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on my under eyelashes. Just the Maybelline Pumped Up Volume Express. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that under there. Oops, I hate when it chunks up. There we go for that. Now, since I went ahead and did the purple under eye that Camilla picked out, I'm going to go ahead and just do a purple lip, and just purple lip pretty much. Camilla literally broke it, so it looks like this is supposed to have like an angle, but she broke it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on real quick. Went in with this Lorac. This color right here is really pretty. So I just put that one on. Now I am completely done with my face makeup, and I'm going to go ahead and set it with setting spray. I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. So yeah. Thank you. Head and do my hair, and I'm just gonna show you a piece of it. I'm not gonna really do all of it on camera. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it out a little bit, and then I'm gonna straighten some of it, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Flat iron protection. I'm just gonna spray this in my hair, and we're gonna start straightening. So guys, I just finished straightening my hair, so this is the end results of my hair and my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little look. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to comment if you have any suggestions for me or if you have any tips for me. And also don't forget to share this video to your family, your friends, anyone you know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.